Take a look at this YouTube channel. It has gained more than 2 lakh subscribers with just 39 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. And the interesting part is, all the videos on this channel are underwater animal POV videos. So today, I'm going to show you how you can also create these viral underwater videos using AI, completely free. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First, open the document link provided in the description. Here you will find 2 prompts. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will now generate 10 different underwater video ideas for us. Now copy the second prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT as well. Inside this prompt, you will see a title section. Simply paste one of the video ideas that ChatGPT generated earlier. Once you run the prompt, ChatGPT will generate scene image prompts and video prompts for each scene of the video. Now copy the first scene image prompt and paste it into Whisk AI. Choose your aspect ratio, then click Generate. Within seconds, our first image scene is ready. Download it. Using the same method, generate all the scene images and download them. Once you have all the images ready, open Flow AI. Here select Create Video. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Now upload the first image we generated. Then copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate, and just like that, our first underwater video scene is ready.
All right, harness secured. Device is on, you can unclip. Ready for release. Good luck out there. All right,
Download it. Using the same method, generate all the remaining video clips. Now open your editing software. Import all the clips you downloaded and arrange them in the correct order. Slightly zoom in to remove the logo, add some cuts and transitions, and just like that, your viral underwater video is ready.
All right, harness secured. Device is on, you can unclip. Ready for release. Good luck out there.
And that's how you can create viral underwater animal POV videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials.